Ah, the sheer delight of creating something with your own two hands. It's like being a magician, transforming simple everyday items into something extraordinary. And today, we're diving into the whimsical world of slime making, where creativity knows no bounds, and the fun is just a squish, stretch, and poke away. So, where do we begin on our journey to Slime City? Well, it all starts with three essential ingredients: good old white craft glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Yes, you heard that right. The secret to perfect slime lies in your bathroom cabinet. Pour an entire bottle of white glue into a bowl. It's the base of our slime, the canvas upon which we'll paint our masterpiece. Add a couple of tablespoons of baking soda to the mix. It's not just for baking cookies, you know. Baking soda is the magic ingredient that brings our slime to life. Next up, a splash of contact lens solution. Add it slowly while stirring. Watch as the mixture transforms before your eyes, from a sticky goop to a stretchy, squishy slime wonderland. Now here's where the real fun begins. It's time to let your imagination run wild. Add a drop or two of food coloring for a pop of vibrant color, or a sprinkle of glitter for that irresistible sparkle. Fancy a different texture? Try adding tiny foam beads for a crunchy, satisfying feel. Remember, making slime is all about experimentation, so don't be afraid to mix things up. Just ensure to remain safe. Always wash your hands before and after playing with slime, and never leave young children unattended while they're having their slime-filled fun. And when the fun is over, where does our slime go? Well, a good old plastic container with a tight lid is the perfect home for your slime creation, keeping it fresh and ready for the next play session. But the joy of slime doesn't end here. There are countless ways to enjoy your slime. You could have a slime stretching contest, or create a slime bubble. You could even use it as a stress reliever, squishing and squeezing it to your heart's content. So there you have it. The wonderful world of slime making is now at your fingertips. It's more than just a sticky, gooey substance. It's a canvas for creativity, a source of endless fun, and a testament to the magic that lies in everyday items. So go forth and create your very own slime masterpiece.